How Ideas Spread in Learning and Development with Donald H. Taylor. Hi, I'm Donald H. Taylor, and I'm the lead researcher on the LND Global Sentiment Survey. Since 2014, we've been looking at what the world thinks about technologies and ideas in learning and development. In this video, we want to focus on how some of those ideas spread. We'll do that by looking at microlearning and exploring how this idea swept the globe between 2016 and 2017. In the survey, we ask people to choose from a list of options they think will be hot in the world of L&D in the coming year. In 2016, we added the term microlearning to that list. We had seen a growth in chatter about it on social media and wanted to know whether our survey respondents would reflect that interest globally. They did, but the votes varied considerably by region. Let's see what happened to the voting in 2016. The talk around microlearning started in North America, particularly in the United States, where a series of microlearning companies received funding in 2015 and put some of that funding into marketing, sharing their ideas about why they thought microlearning was so important. The numbers from the 2016 survey reflect that. In North America, 34% of the survey vote went to microlearning. The voting in the UK and continental Europe was similar, but behind the US, India and Australia and New Zealand were far less enthusiastic. That's what happened in 2016 when we first featured microlearning on the survey. Now, what happened the following year? After every surge in interest, there comes the inevitable crash. In North America in 2017, the vote for microlearning halved. What about the rest of the world? Interestingly, in the UK and Europe, the vote, which had been very close the previous year, went in opposite directions. The UK tends to follow the US closely on trends in L&D, and here the vote also fell. In Europe, on the other hand, the vote rose, as the continent caught some of that micro-learning fever that had infected North America the previous year. In Australia and New Zealand, interest more than doubled. Only India was unmoved in its lack of interest in micro-learning. What started as some startups in North America spending marketing dollars on their products in 2015 ended up as a wave of interest that swept the world between 2016 and 2017. There is an old saying that if America sneezes, the rest of the world catches a cold. It certainly looks as if something like that happened with microlearning. That huge interest sparked in North America and then spread across almost the whole world, and it wasn't transitory. Interest in and use of microlearning continues to this day. Thanks for watching. Follow me on LinkedIn to stay updated and visit donaldhtaylor.co.uk if you want to learn more.